Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. So students, today we are going to start the chapter number 9, basic geometrical ideas. Already we have started yesterday. See, in that we already just look the first concept, that is line. And line, you know that line has no definite length and a line has no thickness, but it is a length extend in the one dimension and goes on in endlessly in both directions. Okay, forever it goes on the forever or endlessly in both direction unless otherwise started. The line, draw the start straight line. Line is a straight line. Okay, and how to draw the line? For example, see, this is the this arrows, it is a plain line. Okay, plain. So suppose AB, it is the line. So how we can read it? You can read like this: line AB. Okay, or you can write, how you can write this: AB, in AB head the arrows. This is, in this way we can read it line. The another way of writing and identifying line is, for example, this is your straight line. Okay, here is capital letter AB we can mention for the line. Another is the small alphabets also we can use to mention the line. For example, L, it is line L. So how we can read line L? Or you can give the any alphabet, line A, line B, line C. So first way is to represent, that is read capital letter both side or small letters one single line L. And how we can read, how we can write also, we can write line L only. Okay, so these are the two way, they both are endlessly. The part of line is called as line segment. Okay, if we cut the line, so that is the, and line segment, it is the fixed distance between the 2 points. Okay, it never increase. Okay, it may be same 100%. It is indeed length is not increasing. Okay, so if we give a name AB, so how we can read it? That is line segment AB. And how we can write AB and there dash. Okay, line segment, this is the symbol of line segment and this is the symbol of line. Okay, and next thing is that here we can read AB or we can read BA also. We can read this line as a AB or BA also. So we can write BA in this way also. Same way, line segment, another way is what? We can read BA also. That is line segment BA. Okay, and we can write AB and BA also. There are two ways of writing. Okay, for example, Dinesh Jadhav, Jadhav Dinesh. Okay, so now next is ray. Ray is the thing. See, line segment we can write line segment AB or AB, shortest distance between the 2 points, that is given. Okay, and infinite number of points are there in the line segment and line also. Length is limited, already we discussed. Okay, length of AB is equal to length of BA. AB and BA both lengths are equal. Okay, next thing is ray. Ray is nothing but it is one, keep on end, keep on, keep one of the end of the line segment fixed and extending it from the one end to the other end way. Okay, one, this A is fixed and it extending to the second, so that is called as ray. Okay, so AB, origin is A, that's why AB we can say that, we can read this, the take segment is AB, the reading way is AB, because A is the origin node. Okay, so opposite it, AB and BA are opposite rays. See, AB and BA, they both are opposite ray, they both are not equal ray, so we can't write AB is equal to BA. Understand? So here is, here A B, so, and here is B A, so these both rays are different. So it is ray AB, and symbol of ray is one arrow, one side. Okay, and this is BA. Understand? So in this way, and they both are not equals. So here we can do it, AB equal to BA, but here line AB is equals to line BA. They both are same, but ray AB is not equals to ray BA. That has to understand the difference. Okay, here is also AB line segment is equals to BA line segment, but here is not equal. Understand? Now next is, okay, array is also collection of the infinite number of points. In that also infinite number of points, because one side is increasing endlessly, that's why. And the example of ray is what? See, for example, here O is there. From one point, so many rays can form. Suppose here this is the one point. There are so many rays we can make, infinite. So for example, this one point you can consider as a sun or tube light. So many rays are coming now. So we can say sun ray, give me some sunshine, give me sun rays. So in the song, that sun rays means sun rays. These are the rays. Tube light rays, torch light rays. Okay, so these are the rays. Next is surface. What is surface? A surface is a plane which has length and width but no thickness. What is surface? A surface is a plane. It is one of a planes. Like this page is plane. Okay, it is plane. It has width but no thickness. Length and width. This is long side is length, short side is length, but there is no width. Width means what? There jada nahi ho, patla. In the plane. Okay, that is called as plane surface is called. A solid has a surface which may be flat or curved. For example, see, here is the example of surfaces. The surface of the floor of your drawing room, like your surface where the tiles are there, that is called as surface, plane surface. In the flat surface or football is curve. See, your room, this is your hall. Suppose hall surface is flat, plane, but football surface is curve. Okay, that covering, that is called as surface. Next is that, so how many types of surfaces? Flat surface, and curve. Flat surface example is what? Your keyboard TV, dining table, that surface is plane. After that, TV surface is plane, mobile screen is plane. Okay, and curved surface is where your ball surface, football surface is curved shape. Okay, after that, mango is oval shape, like curved surface is there. Mango's skin, yes or no? So like that. Watermelon scale is also curved surface. So these are the example of curved surface and flat surface. Flat surface is how? Like for example, plane, pad, TV, dining table, the surface which is their plane thing, that is called as plane surface. Okay, for example, this tool also plane surface is there. Okay, okay. So next is that point is collinear point. Collinear point, this word itself tells the definition of that. What is the? Three or more point lying on one line are called collinear. What is that collinear point? Three or more than point, more than three, they are lying on the plane line, one line, is it called as collinear. Co means togetherly, linear means online. See, for example, this is the line, it is there. On this line I am writing here. See, if only two points are there, then it is line. If 2 points mentioned there, so we can draw a line. But now collinear means what? There are so many points on the line, that is called as collinear. For example, this is the line which we draw, and on this line there are point A, point B, and point C. 3 points are there. If there is only 2 points, A and B, so we can consider that a line AB. Okay, if it is only 2 lines is there, so we can read as a line AB. But why it is said to be collinear? Because on this line there are 3 points are mentioned, or more than 3 points. More than 3 points, not necessarily only 3 points. You can write here 4 points, 5 points. As you know that line is made up of infinite points or points on the line. Okay, so we can mention it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so it is all points are collinear. Why they are said to be collinear? Because they are having the on the plane line, straight line. Okay, non-collinear points means what? See, point K and point C are not collinear. Why they are not collinear? Because they are not on line. So such very simple. Collinear point means what? A point which are present on the line, they are called as a collinear point. And not collinear point means what? A point they are not on the line. Collinear. Okay. Point A, B, C, K are not collinear. A, B, C, K. A, B, C, K are not collinear. Why they are not collinear? Because they are not on line. Okay, only A and B are A, X, Y, P, B are linear point. Okay, so in this way, the two types of points also we understand: collinear point and non-collinear point. Understand non-collinear? For example, here is A, B is the line on the line. Suppose X, Y, Z, P. These 4 points are there. So A, X, Y, B are point A, X, Y, B. These are collinear point. But A, Z, P, B, these points, they are not collinear because line AB is the line. Okay, line AB is the line. On line AB, Z and P are not on AB. That's why they are not collinear. Get it? And on line AB, these points are mentioned X and Y. That's why they are collinear point. That much. Very simple it is. No need to. It's simple. And no need to take more tension. On the next video, we'll see that 2 lines. Now this all things we studied for only one line. First line, if that line part cut, if you cut this part line of lines part we cut, then it called as segment. If you make them 2 parts, one from one side, one direction, it will endlessly increasing, it is called as ray. Okay, first of all line, after that we cut from both side, then whatever the piece of line will be there, that is called as line segment. If only we make 2 parts of line, then each part is called as ray. And surface means what? It is a flat surface. Flat surface means what? Your ground level, your tiles, dining table, TV, these are the plane surface. Curved surface means more watermelon, football, their surface is called as curved surface. Collinear point means on one line, if it is all 3 or 4 points are on the same line, it is called as collinear point. And suppose on outside the line of some points are mentioned. So suppose here is a line PQ and here is point X and point Z. So point P, X, Y, P, X, Z, Q, these are collinear point. Understand? P, X, Y, Z are collinear. Understood how to collinear? Understand? So I hope you understand it. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Write down this all notes and things in your notebook and read this next part. We will prepare next video on this. Take care.